Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to talk about something very important in life. It is about learning to say, I can do it. This small sentence is very powerful. It can change how we feel and how we act. When we believe we can do something, we try harder. We do not give up easily. We become more confident and strong. But sometimes it is hard to say these words. Maybe we are afraid. Maybe we have failed before. Or maybe someone told us we are not good enough. These things can make us doubt ourselves. They can stop us from trying new things. But the truth is, everyone has the power to learn, grow, and succeed. Saying I can do it is the first step. When you say I can do it, you are telling your mind to believe. You are giving yourself a chance. You are opening the door to something new. Maybe you want to speak English better. Maybe you want to try a new sport. Maybe you want to make new friends. Whatever it is, the first step is to say, I can do it. This helps you start. It gives you the courage to take action. It helps you move forward. When you say, I can't, you stop yourself. But when you say, I can, you give yourself hope. Let's think about a child learning to walk. At first, the child falls many times, but they do not stop. They keep trying. And one day they walk. Because they believe they can. They do not think about failing. They just try again and again. This is how we all learn. We try, we fall, we get up and we try again. That is why saying I can do it is so important. It helps us to keep going. It helps us to believe in ourselves. Sometimes people are afraid to fail. But failure is not the end. Failure is part of learning. Every time we fail, we learn something new. We get better. We grow stronger. If we are too afraid to try, we miss the chance to succeed. That is why we must learn to say, I can do it, even when we are afraid. Confidence is not something we are born with. It is something we build, and we build it by trying, learning, and believing. When you try something new and do it well, you feel proud. You feel good. You feel stronger. And next time, it is easier to say, I can do it because you have done it before. Think about a time when you did something hard. Maybe it was your first day at a new school. Maybe it was learning how to ride a bike. Maybe it was talking in front of a group. At first, you were nervous, but you did it. And after that, you knew you could do more. This is how confidence grows. One small step at a time. One success at a time. And it all begins with the belief that you can. Sometimes we need to talk to ourselves in a kind way. We need to say, it's okay. I am learning. I will get better. These words help us feel calm. They help us try again. If we are too hard on ourselves, we feel bad. We want to stop. So be kind to yourself. Speak to yourself like you would speak to a good friend. Support yourself. Encourage yourself. Say, you are trying your best. Keep going. You can do it. These words matter. They can change how we feel. They can change what we do. Let's also remember that everyone learns at their own speed. Some people learn fast. Some people need more time. And that is okay. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to try. Every time you try, you grow. Every time you say, I can do it, you take one more step forward. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey. They help us learn what to do better next time. So, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Be proud that you are trying. That is brave. That is strong. Imagine you want to learn to swim. At first, it feels scary. The water is deep. You do not know how to move. But if you say, I can do it, you give yourself power. You take small steps. Maybe you just put your feet in the water. Then you move a little more. And one day you are swimming. This is how learning works. You begin with a small step. You say, I can do it. And you keep trying. One day, you see that you have come far. You have learned something new. You feel proud. You feel happy. All because you believed in yourself. It is also important to have people who support you. Friends, family, or teachers can help you. When they say, you can do it, it feels good. It gives you more power. But the most important voice is your own. You must say it to yourself. You must believe it. Because you are the one who takes the steps. You are the one who does the work. You are the one who grows. So be your own cheerleader. Be your own support. Keep saying, I can do it. And then do it. Take action. Try. Practice. Learn. Grow. You are stronger than you think. You are smarter than you believe. You are more able than you feel. You just need to try. If something is hard today, that's okay. It will get easier. Every day is a new chance. A new chance to say, I can do it. A new chance to try. A new chance to learn. Every day is a step on your journey. Sometimes the journey is slow. Sometimes it is fast. But what matters is that you keep going. What matters is that you do not give up. Every time you say, I can do it, you are building a better future for yourself. A future where you are not afraid. A future where you try new things. A future where you believe in your own strength. That is a beautiful future. And it starts now. So take a deep breath. Think about something you want to do. Something that feels a little hard. Something you have not tried yet. Now say, I can do it. Say it again. Say it until you believe it. Now take a small step. Try one thing. Just one. It does not have to be perfect. It just has to be real. And then take another step. And another. Before you know it, you are moving forward. You are growing. You are becoming stronger. You are doing it. And that is amazing. Always remember that you can do more than you think. You can learn. You can grow. You can try. You can succeed. All it takes is the first step. All it takes is one small voice inside you saying, I can do it. And that voice can become louder. It can become stronger. It can guide you every day. So whenever you feel unsure, say the words again. I can do it. Because you can. And your journey is just beginning.